So here is dscvr1 website. It's a Web3 social network. You can sign up here using Google or using Worldcoin, some other services. So I signed up using Worldcoin. I verified it with Orb. Worldcoin, for people who don't know, is kind of like a world app where you can earn some basically cryptocurrency by verifying your eye with Orb. This is a project from Sam Altman, who founded ChatGPT or whatever. So basically, but dscvr, this is just like another social media platform, Web3, where just by signing up, you already getting some bonuses and some coins. I don't know if you can redeem them later, but yeah, here's the wallet. I already got some coins. I don't know what that is. And then it's basically just like Twitter. You can create posts. You can participate in communities here, just participate in groups. Then also you can also add your wallet. Just add a wallet. I guess you need to add Phantom or Soulflower. This is like a Solana network. Then again, there are just different people here where you can just follow people. There are a lot of users already in this app. A lot of followers. You can follow, unfollow. There are people who are here already for a lot of days. And a lot of new users. There are portals. Portals are basically like a communities where you can just hang out with other people. So 26,000 members. And then, for example, if I just go to this portal, this is like a travel community. People are posting it here. You can react with some coins, but then you need to pay. And so that's how it works. There is no mobile app yet, so this is just like a website. Everything is blinking here. People are just adding pictures, and you can also post to that. You can just post here and add tags and add memes, set settings. Then there is a lot of gamifications. There are a lot of airdrops. For every day you are using this app, you're earning some dscvr currency, or you earn dscvr points every day you log in. I don't know what that is. Maybe that will be their future cryptocurrency. So yeah, and then there are settings. That's what you have here. That's your social links, which you can add here. And then there are feeds. Then you can create your own portal, and then you can create invite links. 1 passive points, refer user, and receive 1 bonus point for every 10 they earn, plus charge up your capacitor by earning 100 bonus points to receive an airdrop multiplier. So here's refer link. So here's my refer link. Let's just check it out. So this is my link. You can use this one. Yeah, you can just try to copy that. And yeah, that's how you can earn it. Refer user and receive 1 bonus point for every 10 they earn, plus charge up your capacitor by earning 100 bonus points to receive an airdrop multiplier. So you can earn that. Then you can see people who I am following and my followers, and then username. If I want to update, that requires additional points. I can add my links. Yeah, user profile, preferences, chains. You can change Solana, ICP, or all, so you can change that. So yeah, that's the app. There are different settings, how to show content for you, following. Then there are you can create you can explore more. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. Yeah, so that's basically what it is. That's the app. I just signed up with the Worldcoin and I'm just exploring it. It's kind of like Instagram slash Twitter for that. So yeah, that's where you have it. That's the you have your profile and yeah. So try it out. Pretty interesting app if you like Web3 and you like social media and stuff like that. That's one of the top apps right now. It's getting some traction, some trending in other social media. So you can just at least reserve your nice first name username here and getting some coins, some things for gamification for visiting this app daily and hanging out with other people and participating in communities. So yep, the dscvr1, that's how the app is being called. Try it out. Also, yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a lot of video overviews of different video apps and yeah, different communities also on my YouTube channel. So that's about it. Yeah, that's what you have here. So if I log out, just to show you, you can see, all right, if I just want to sign up, you can sign up with Google, sign up with username, sign up with Worldcoin, and sign up with Phantom Wallet or whatever wallet using your mobile wallet app. Usually I think it's a Phantom Wallet app you need to have. So I think you need to have this Phantom Wallet here that's like your Solana wallet, or you need to use Worldcoin. I guess also you can just sign up with Worldcoin app. So this one, but in this app, in World app, you need to be verified with Orb, which is complicated. I did that, but that's just a different thing. So yeah, for example, if I just use this, then I just do like this, and then I do my verification. It doesn't redirect me, but here I just go in here, and there you have it. So yep, something around this. That's the app, and that's what you can think about it. Yeah, follow me on this app. This is my username. There are already quite a few people in this app. I didn't expect, but there is decent audience. There are a lot of like tens of thousands of followers and participation in communities. So it's not like some super niche app. There are some users here. So yeah, it's growing fast. So check it out.